Hey, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to take care of an issue we've had with our cargo trailer for quite a while, and we just had a video about it a little while back. It is our water heater. We've had some crazy times with that gas on demand water heater. It is a bit of a pain to use. So since that video posted, I had a lot of helpful comments on how to adjust the water heater we had, also on what water heaters you guys were using, and I really was leaning towards a 10-gallon or 12-gallon RV water heater. Problem is, they're about $700. We just can't do that right now. So I did get one interesting comment that said, look into the Bosch, I believe it's a 7-gallon water heater. So because the Bosch is only electric, I didn't really look at it too hard in the past because I wanted efficiency in my electrical system, and I was just going to run everything on gas, and that way when we boondock, we don't have to worry about powering up the water heater and the AC. But I did think of something when I read that comment. I actually own a water heater very, very similar to that Bosch. So I have a Camplux 6-gallon. I think I'm going to take it out of my building, mount it in my trailer, and just test it out, see how it does. So I had this mounted in my shop, and it may not be quite as efficient as the Bosch, but I figured it's worth the shot. So today we're going to mount this in our trailer, and I'm going to be without hot water in my shop for a little while. And if it works, I don't have a problem buying another one of these or the Bosch unit, because they're around $200 to $250. And I can deal with that a little better than $700. So let's get this thing in and see how it works. So this is where our hot water heater is located. And as you can see, I've been hard at work removing the old unit. So I still have this vent here that I'm gonna have to do something about. Cover it up on the outside, I think, is what I'm thinking. I'm also gonna have to tie the lines from the new hot water heater into these 1/2-inch PEX. I do have to run a new outlet, of course, so I'll do that. Shouldn't be too hard. There's an outlet right above it. You can see the wire going to it there. So I'll tie into the box there, run the wire down, put a new outlet in, and we should be good to go.
Well, I left Chattanooga, boy, had $1 and a dime. I headed out for Nashville on the...
Okay, I'm gonna have to build the platform up some. There's a gas line coming in where that fitting sits on the floor. The backside of the water heater is hitting that. Not a huge deal. I think it's gonna fit. It's just not right now. We'll get it. Take two in installing the hot water heater.
For to make up through the fall, working for that dollar, but it never adds up at all. Coming around the
Well, it's sitting in there. I've got to find a way to strap it down. All right, now I got to get the water connections hooked up to those 3/4-inch PEX lines back there. That's gonna have to be a contortionist to do this.
well, come this time tomorrow.
Okay, I'm going to turn the water on. This could be a disaster. Let's hope not.
I'll be back in town.
Lots of fun noises. Okay, everything's filled up. I purged the lines to make sure all the air's out. The tank's filled. I'm gonna pull up this Hughes Autoformer. This is our Power Watchdog surge protector. So there you see we're using 111 watts. That is our refrigerator. I'm going to turn this on and we'll see what happens with the wattage. Actually, the refrigerator just turned off. So there you go. We're at 37 watts. Okay. I'm going to turn it to... Turn the light on here. I'm going to turn it to the first setting just to see what happens. Although I know I won't run it there. It didn't turn on. It didn't turn on. Let's try turn it up to level 2. On the lights on. Okay, so woo, 1300. So we're at 1300 watts, 11.5 amps. But this is what it does as soon as we turn it on. So if we just got to a campsite, this is what we could expect. Okay, so just for fun, I think I'm gonna turn our mini split on. I turned the AC on, turned it down to 66 degrees. Let's see what happens. So it's going up gradually. I'm gonna put it on turbo and we'll see what it does. So that's max AC. Turn all the way up. See what happens. So there you go. We're cycling on and off. We're up to 2600 watts, 24 amps. A little over 24 amps for a few minutes there. So that's makes me a little uncomfortable. Only because we were so efficient before. But you know, if this thing will give us a comfortable shower and you know, that's probably going to be worth it. Well, it's the next week and we had a successful trip over the weekend. We went camping at a racetrack. We used the generator all weekend. We ran our heater on our mini split, turned up pretty high. We ran our electric fireplace turned down low, and we had the hot water heater on the entire time. And I had it set to the 125 setting. And it was awesome. It was absolutely wonderful. All 5 of us took a shower, of course, boondocking shower, rinse and soap up and rinse off again real quick, turning the water on and off. The water was consistently warm, no extremely hot or extremely cold times. It was just great. We're going to call that a success, and I feel sure we're going to leave this hot water heater right here in this spot. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions about the Camp Lux, let me know. Please check out our other content. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and we'll catch you guys next time. See ya.